Happy December 1st. Happy first day of Vlogmas. I have no idea what this Vlogmas will include. I think some days might be a little bit more slow than others because right now I am working full time. So each day is going to look different, but I'm excited to do Vlogmas. I enjoy it every year. Hopefully you guys do too. If you're not familiar with what Vlogmas is, maybe you haven't been on YouTube, I don't know. Vlogmas is one video every day the whole month of December. I don't know if I'll stop in Christmas or I'll go all the way through New Year's, but we'll see. We have a few things planned for December, but some things that we have to look forward to. It is Thursday today. It is a very gloomy day. I'll show you guys right now. It is supposed to be raining. It hasn't been raining too bad. I do have a cold, so I'm on like day 4 of my cold. And yeah, I feel very congested today, so we'll have to put up with that for now. Hopefully I'll get better soon. I'm making myself some breakfast right now. It is 9:15. Just wanted to hop on, say hello, welcome to Vlogmas, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. I just bought this heater from Amazon. It's this brand, Turbo, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. It's supposed to be, I think, like a mecha kind of heater, which radiates heat instead of like blowing it like a fan. And we really like these heaters, but the one that we had broke. And I was telling Francisca, I wonder if somebody can fix it, because it's basically just the on and off switch that just broke. So we replaced it with this one, which is doing okay, but I like the other one better. Alright, and for breakfast, I had been doing this for a while, but I actually forgot. I made myself a turmeric latte, like pre-mix powder thing. I can leave the recipe below, which is basically turmeric, ginger, pepper, cinnamon. I think that's it, but it's a lot of cinnamon to like kind of cover up all the other taste. And what I do is I add it to water, froth it, mix it up, and then I add it to milk and maple syrup. And this is actually really yummy, and it has like a lot of good things for a lot of beneficial things. So I had been doing this for a while and I got off of it, and now that I'm kind of sick, I started to do it again. So that's going to be my breakfast for today. And then I made myself a toast with cream cheese because I'm kind of hungry, and my vitamins. So what do you want? You want to go outside? It's cold. So your sister's smart. She knows it's cold. everyone, it is about 7:30 and we're finally back home. We had to go do laundry. We go to the laundromat because we have a lot of clothes and I don't like the machines that we have here in our complex. But every time we go, it's a pain in the butt. I hate going, but we must do it. We put it off a whole week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we usually go every other week, but this time we waited 3 weeks and it was just no point. Huh?
I was running out of socks.
I know, I was out of underwear. It was pretty bad. It was hard to get into the uncomfortable ones. No fun. But Francisco, while we were packing our clothes, went and picked up some Mexican food. This is half a burrito because we're sharing a burrito. And we're going to share some carne asada fries. Don't they look delicious? Yes. Doesn't she look so happy to be here? Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna eat this dinner right now. We're watching Wednesday on Netflix. Go ahead. Netflix on Wednesday. Oh, no, it's Thursday.
I mean, we watched it on Wednesday.
As well. And that show is probably one of the coolest shows I've seen in a while. My last favorite one was Schitt's Creek, and when that one ended, I was very, very sad. So I don't know what the story is going to be with this Wednesday one, if they're going to end it.
Last episode, huh?
I know. I think we have one last episode left. We've been trying to pace ourselves and not be like everyone else who just binge watched them. We've been trying to enjoy it, but I think we're on the last episode today. And I'm intrigued to see if it's going to be a show that they continue or if it's like a one-season show and that's it. We'll see. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have been watching it because I've been really loving that show. But I'm starving, so we're going to eat some dinner. And yeah. All right. Well, the bed is made, pajamas have been acquired, and I think I'm gonna end this vlog here for today so that I can start editing it and hopefully have it up tonight. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We don't really do much on Fridays anyways, but yeah, we'll see. But we'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 2.